Hello students, today I am going to teach you mathematics. Enjoy with numbers 1 to 100, class nursery. I am going to teach you mathematics. All students, take out your maths book, open your book page number 4. All students, watch the video carefully and read with me. Okay students? What is this? What is this? This is 1. Read with me. 1. 1. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, देखिए ये सर्कल कितने हैं हमारे पास? 1. 1. How many elephant is this? This is 1. This is 1. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, अंडरस्टूड? रीड कीजिए मेरे साथ. 1. 1. 1. 1. What is the formation of 1? Write with me. Standing line. Okay? 1. 1. Okay students, understood? 1. आप सभी को बॉक्स में राइट करना है. आप सभी बच्चे मेरे साथ राइट कीजिए और रीड कीजिए. 1. स्टैंडिंग लाइन. 1. 1. 1. What is this? This is 2. This is 2. This is 2. Count with me. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Read with me. 2. 2. 2. All students, read and write with me. What is formation of 2? Watch carefully. Circle, standing line, sleeping line. This is 2. Circle, standing line, sleeping line. 2. Write with me. 2. 2. Okay students, understood? Two. Curve, standing line, sleeping line. 2. 2. 2. So students, today I am teach you counting 1 and 2. Learn and write. Okay students, today is your homework. Write off your notebook 1 and 2. Okay students? Thank you.